Hello guys, my name is Sophie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to become a digital artist, where to start and all that stuff. So first of all, the main thing that you need is a passion for art. Yeah, you're gonna love what you're doing or nothing gonna look good. Basically that's it. Thing that you need to become a digital artist, you need a tablet. So the easier way to get a tablet is, let me show you. I have this tablet, it's very small. It's Wacom tablet, is probably the smallest that they have because I was enrolling as animation student and we didn't necessarily have to have a Wacom tablet. We just had to have other stuff. It's not necessary for animators. So, but I got it because it was optional and I got the smallest one just in case I need it. And after I switched to Game Arts, you can see that in my previous video. And yeah, to actually draw, you have to have a tablet. And I recommend you getting one of the Wacom tablets because I think they're the best on the market for now. And also they have very different variation of the prices depending on what kind of tablet are you getting. Mine is probably the cheapest one, and the most expensive one are Cintiq tablets. They're like displaced, but they're the best. I wish one day I can get one for myself as well. So the tablet is for you to draw, and in this tablet, when you connect it to your computer, you have to look still on the screen of your computer and draw here. For the first time it's going to be very difficult, but later you will adapt to it and get better and better. But if you have money, probably you want to buy the Cintiq one, but I wouldn't suggest that if you never tried doing art and that's what you want to buy for the first time. That's probably gonna be a waste of money because if you don't like it, well, where's it gonna go, right? Says for it is you can create 3D art and 2D art. You can use Photoshop or Paint Toolside, any drawing program for 2D, and also ZBrush and Maya and other programs for texturing using this tablet. But if you only want to do 2D, the best option for you would be iPad Pro, because with iPad Pro, it's very comfortable to draw and you can take it anywhere and it's like your own little device. You don't have to plug it anywhere, and the pen pressure and sensitivity on the pencil is great. You can draw with the tip and you can draw details with that, or you can put it flat like that and you can draw more rough shapes. So it's basically like the real pencil, which is pretty cool, and you're not gonna have that with Wacom tablet. And also what you want to look for is tablet that have pen pressure sensitivity. Because I don't think mine has it, and I actually struggle with that a lot. But in ZBrush you can turn down the sensitivity of Z and it's gonna be less aggressive. But in Photoshop I have to turn down opacity, and I really don't like doing that because it's getting like layery and stuff, and I don't like that. I would like the pen pressure more. It's more comfortable to work. So yeah, that's the only thing that you need. Basically, it's a tablet, and the most important is your passion for art. And of course, you're gonna need a computer. Probably for the first period of time when you're just starting, any computer would work fine. But with time, you would have to have a good graphics card and a very good computer in general. And it's very also good to have 2 displays or more, for sure. More better, but 2 is the best because you have your program opened on the one that you're working, and you have your reference on the another one. But if you don't have money for that, you can just split the screen. Of course, it's not that comfortable, and you would have to like move a lot of things around in Photoshop and that annoying stuff. But sometimes it's good to begin like that. And remember this, you will never be good when you just start. When I just tried my Wacom tablet, when I just bought it, it was awful. I cannot tell you how bad it was. I was just like, oh my god, I don't know how to draw. I was quite good. I mean, okay, on the paper. Mostly I draw people's faces. And I was quite good with that on paper, but when I tried to do that in Photoshop for the first time, it was so bad. It was like terrible. I didn't save that. Nobody should see that. But anyway, remember that practice makes perfect. You will never be good when you just start in anything really. But after you practice, it's gonna be better and better. And I would suggest you to practice at least 30 minutes every day to get better. And look for the references. That is very important. Look on the other artists that you very like. Look at their style, look how they do some specific things and how they draw, I don't know, falls and stuff and closes and faces, and just try to replicate it as an exercise. Don't copy somebody's work that's bad. And also, if you like to draw animals or humans, you should learn anatomy. Learn anatomy. That is very important as well. And if you don't learn that, you will never gonna have believable faces or bodies, and you're gonna have just broken everything, and it's gonna look weird, and you're gonna question yourself, why is it looking like that? And the simple question is, the simple answer is learn anatomy. And for colors and stuff like that, in general, I would suggest you to look around and just try to analyze everything you have around you, the nature, the people, just environment in general, and see how the things look in the real life, and then try to draw it on a computer. And also, after you're more advanced with drawing, you can start learning color theory and materials, how different materials reflect, and what is the difference, why the gold is less or more shinier than aluminum, or something like that. Some small things like that you will learn more and more with each day you practice. And basically that's it. That's all the steps that you need to become a digital artist. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have a Patreon if you would like to support my art. And thank you so much. See you in my next video.